Each year at Christmas time, the sounds of the holidays fill the Vigo County Courthouse. It's a tradition that employee Linda Jeffries has carried on. Chief photojournalist Mike Latta introduces us to her.
And today's going to be very different. We're going to be social distancing. I don't even know if anyone's going to come out, but we are going to continue the tradition of singing about Christmas here in the building. Many years ago, the abstract people were here in the building, and they would go around Christmas caroling. And then when the building kind of outgrew that and they had to move into other facilities, we just kind of picked it up. And so one year we said, let's have a flash mob and let's all meet out in the rotunda and sing. And so we all came out to the rotunda to sing, and when we did, nobody sang but me.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come.
I think my favorite Christmas song is probably Joy to the World. And we need that this season. I mean, we really do.
Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me.
You could play Alley Cat on a kazoo in here, and Nashville would be looking for you. This building is so amazing. The acoustics are awesome.
Let me walk with my brother in perfect harmony.
We are going to be okay. Christmas may be different, but it's still going to be Christmas.